Hello! That was really annoying, I apologise. Excuse how horrific my hair and everything looks. There's no point making myself look nice because today is the day that I finally dye my hair with LUSH Henna. And I'm excited, y'all. I've been meaning to do this for ages. I bought the henna dye probably when was it? Over a month ago. And I've been waiting to get round to it. It's quite a long process. I've got to keep the dye in for 5 or 6 hours or something. So I've been waiting for the right day to get it done. We've now been on official lockdown for about a week, and the past few days I felt a bit and rubbish, and I guess the reality of the situation really hit me. So I was feeling a bit down and miserable and just not quite myself. So I thought I would use today, Monday, start of a fresh week, to make myself feel better, make myself look better, and finally get rid of whatever this colour is in my hair. So I've got the henna all chopped up, it's ready to go. I've got to mix it in some hot water in a bain-marie or something. I don't know, I've never used henna dye before, so I don't really know what I'm doing, so we'll see. What else was I going to say? I've sat down because I'm bored of standing up. So I've gone for the henna dye because it's much more environmentally friendly. It's all completely natural ingredients, which means I'm not washing any chemicals down the drain. It smells a hell of a lot better than regular dye. I mean, some people might not like the smell, it's quite a strong smell, but I think it's nicer because I know it's all natural. It kind of smells like a tea type thing. I've read that you can get different types of hair hennas from a variety of different places. I think LUSH is probably on the more expensive end of hair hennas, but I wanted to go for a company that I would trust. I've seen a lot of other people use the LUSH henna, so I thought I'd just go for that and see how it turns out. The colour should end up just pretty much the same, if not slightly darker than my natural hair colour. I'm a little bit worried about how well it's going to cover up the disgusting bluey green colour, but I guess we'll see. We're in lockdown and I'm going to be in lockdown for months, so worst case scenario, no one's really going to see it. I mean, all of you guys are going to see it, but you've seen this process, so you'll get it. Anyway, the henna is chopped up. I've got to make myself a bain-marie and get this stuff on my head. Just cute things. Oh. Hello.
Oh my god, it stinks. Fuck. Cute.
It is on. Oh my god. It's really heavy. It's literally just solid mud just on my head. And I have a lot of hair as well, so lots of heavy mud in lots of heavy hair. It's heavy. But I have to say, in terms of application, I think I way prefer it than regular dyes. I probably should have shown the process a little bit better, but it comes as a block and then you chop it all up, you add hot water, and then you have it in a bain-marie to keep it hot, basically a bowl of hot water with the bowl in. Yeah, you get it. But because you add the hot water to it, it means that you can basically choose how thick or how sloppy and how wet it is. So if, like me, you are super clumsy and messy with it every time you put hair dye in your hair, you can not put so much water in so that it's not as thin, so then it's easier to handle. When I was looking up different options for dyeing my hair, a lot of people said that they thought that the henna was super messy, just a nightmare for clean up afterwards. But honestly, I thought it was probably less messy than with regular dye. As it dries in your hair, it does sometimes kind of crumble. It kind of crumbles off the gloves that you're wearing, but that's super easy to clean up. You just get a wet cloth and just get it. So, and it isn't staining things like regular dye does, at least not in the same way. So overall, 10 out of 10 experience so far. The main downside for me so far is the fact that it's so heavy, but it's something I can deal with. I don't mind. I now obviously have to keep this on for like 5 hours, so we'll see how we go. I have been told that if I put cling film around my head, it will help the colour to become really warm and rich. But if I go for no cling film and just have it like open air, it just means it can get darker and will be cooler toned. And I don't know which one to go for. And I'm thinking if I put the cling film on and make it warmer, will that counterbalance the blue and then make that go away better? Or will it just make the colour weird? There is a plus side to having the cling film because it kind of like contain it and hold it up a little bit. Maybe I'll just like leave it half off and then put some on later when it needs a bit more support and my neck is caving in. It was really easy to, I mean I haven't done a very good job of it, but it was really easy to like clean it up from around my face afterwards as well. I did put some Vaseline on it first, but guys, it is finally time. It's been like 6 hours. Look how rigid and horrible this is. It's literally just a mound of mud. It's been super uncomfortable, but I'm finally gonna wash it off. I'm excited. I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's gonna be a lot of effort to wash out, so I'm probably not gonna film that whole palaver because I am impressed. Obviously I haven't brushed my hair or done anything with it yet. It's still kind of got like a greenish tinge where the blue colour was, which I was expecting, so there's actually way less of the green tinge than I was expecting there to be. And it's actually kind of warmed it up a little bit. It's obviously lighter at the end, as I was expecting. I don't think there's that much of a colour change to my root colour, which again, I was expecting that to happen. I kind of only put it all over my hair because I knew it was gonna make it feel really nice and luscious and shiny, etc. So I am very impressed so far. I'm gonna go dry it and see how it looks once it's dry, but so far very good. Oh my god, it is the next day. I am so impressed. I realised that I left it on a bit of a weird note yesterday. I decided that I was going to let it air dry, and then by the time it air dried it was like super late, so I thought I'd wait until today. It's basically processed overnight, and I think it's supposedly supposed to keep processing for like 24 to 48 hours. It has pretty much gotten rid of all of the green. Like, I am amazed. There are like some little patches in some places you can see there that are still a little bit blue where I clearly didn't put as much dye on as I was supposed to, but I do still have just under half a bar left, so I might go over it again just on the ends and see if I can like darken them down a bit. But I'm actually totally happy with how they are right now, and I'm loving the like warm coppery tones, which I just wasn't expecting. I was expecting it to be like a weird blonde green combo thing, but I'm loving it, and I'm loving the gingery vibe as well. I might potentially go for the rouge next time and make myself a bit of a ginge. Who knows? Is that too much? Am I stealing ginger culture? Who knows? Anyway, today is gonna be Fringe Day, which I am excited and terrified about. Cutting my own fringe isn't quite so scary. I have done it before. I didn't do it very well because it was at midnight when I was having a uni project breakdown. I did kind of train in hairdressing whilst I was at uni, so it's not like a total, I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm gonna try my best. I'll be doing that at some point today, and I'm excited. I'm kind of scared, but I'm excited. Also, it feels amazing. It's so glossy. It's got such a nice shine to it. It smells amazing. So far, this by far trumps any chemical dye I've ever used. By far. It's so good. It's about to happen. I've got my scissors. I've got my comb. I'm gonna brush my hair first. God, I love it already. I love it already. This side's trickier because this is where my parting has been sitting for like the past week. I think I need to take a little bit more from this side. It's kind of gone a bit wonk as I've been going along. It's hard to tell because I've got like a little scar on my head here where I smashed it open on a bamboo pole in a jacuzzi when I was like 6.
Do you want a coffee or anything?
I love a coffee.
Hey, just black.
Hey, yes please.
Hey.
It's still a little bit long. I don't want to shorten it too much because I've got such a tiny forehead that I don't want it to look really diddy. That's the mistake I made last time. And it did not look good. I mean, it looked okay. But you could certainly tell it wasn't done by a professional. Ah, I got little hairs in my eyes. I feel like I need to still maybe take a little bit more from each of these sides, but I'm not really sure. I don't want to end up making it too wide. The split is really annoying and making it really difficult to tell what's going on. Fuck. This is taking a lot longer than I was anticipating. I'm just trying to do like a tiny bit by tiny bit because I really don't want to end up accidentally cutting it too short and then being stuck with it. The last time I gave myself a fringe as well, I had like bright bleach blonde hair and it looked okay. It's definitely not a look I'm going to repeat again unless I got like a professional to do it. I literally haven't been to a hairdresser in probably even 10 years. I had super long hair for a really long time because I just never went and got it cut. And then at uni, when everyone let to cut hair, I just got all of my friends to do it. So yeah, I'm not someone that frequents hairdressers often. I mean, this side, I don't feel like it flows quite so well as this side does, but I think this side has more hair in it somehow. I think because it's kind of veering off that way and some of this should be over here. I don't know. I'm gonna maybe figure out if I need to make some of these side bits like a bit longer. Ooh, I'm loving it. Yes, bitch. Right, so this is the part I maybe want to taper down a little bit more. Is there a way to do this without it hurting? Because that really hurts. I think I'm going to take a teeny bit more from my eyes because I think otherwise it's going to really bother me. Okay, I think I'm all good to go on the fringe. I've tried hair drying and stuff, but it's kind of just made it stick out and go a bit static and stuff. So I'm going to just style my hair, curl it and see what it looks like in my favourite hairstyle to do. My vision that I had before doing this. So let's see. Oh my god, guys, I did it! Oh my god, that was really annoying. Let me do that again.
I did it! Oh yeah!
I am so relieved I don't hate it. That was terrifying. It's got a bit of an annoying split in it here from where like my hair normally will sit, like going down the sides of my face. But I'm hoping that is gonna kind of chill out a little bit as it gets used to being in fringe form. But I am so chuffed with it. I did my hairs, I did my makeups. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm really chuffed. I'm excited. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Anyway, I've put some makeup on because I'm going to film another upcycling tutorial video, come paint with me thing. But today's one is going to be super cute. I'm going to be painting these teeny tiny Converse. It was meant to be my friend's baby shower this weekend and obviously it got cancelled because of everything that's going on, but her mum is still throwing her a little surprise baby shower. Just all of us who were meant to be going have sent in our answers for those little like what are they called? Those baby birth prediction cards where you put what you think the baby's weight's going to be, height, eye colour, all that kind of thing, and we've all sent our answers to her and she's going to fill them out so she can still read them out and she's going to open all her presents. It's really sweet, and yeah, it's a shame we can't all be there, but she should have a really nice day anyway. My gift to her is these tiny little Converse that I'm going to be painting. Yeah, I need to get those in the post tomorrow for them to get there on time, so I'm going to do that. Thank you very much for following me on my hair journey. If you're still here, congratulations. Sorry that it is literally the lowest quality henna hair video you're probably ever going to see in your life. But if you've come to me for high quality professional content, then you are in the wrong place. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later. Adios amigos. Yeah, bye.